Okay, so just say that again. You've got a 4.
I've got 4 booked and 2 that are ready to come through. So that's 6. And there's more people. Like I've got more calls this week with people.
Yeah.
All of the people that have come through and booked haven't even seen the Facebook ads.
So it's all been through the organic marketing strategies that
It's
we've.
all been like they've been searching me up, or
Yeah.
I think a little while ago I did a little $50 ad and I had more response on that than I have with all this. So I'm like, nah, I've stopped it. Like, fuck this. And like all the leads that have come through this Facebook, like I've got some great data on what they've answered, like for
Yeah.
marketing,
Yeah.
fabulous. But they just ignore you. They don't even like, you might have an occasional one or two, and then they get information, and then we're trying to communicate with them, and they're just like, what is wrong with these people?
But you know what I like about, a lot of people have this thing about organic marketing where they say organic. And as
Yeah,
soon as you go organic, they kind of devalue it like it doesn't make anything. But if you think about like organic food, okay,
yeah, totally.
it's organic food is like pure, right?
Yeah, yeah,
It's pure. So if you think about organic and you go organic marketing, I go pure marketing. It's
yeah,
like connection. People genuinely are interested in what it is that you're doing. They
yeah,
generally want to they want to connect. You're having meaningful relationships.
totally.
Whereas when it comes to paid marketing and it's just shooting shit out everywhere,
Yeah,
it's like it's not organic. It's paid.
yeah.
It's not here.
Yeah,
Like
you're going to get tire
so,
kickers. You're going to get tire
yeah.
kickers, totally. And it's interesting because a little bit of paid, like the $50 ads I've done here and there with my own, like really niching the audience down. I've had more response off those $50 ads like I've done them for, like I say, 7 days.
Yeah.
I've had more response off them then they're spending $200 a week. I said to him, I can't do $200 a week. This is ridiculous. Why is it going up all the time? It's
Yeah.
like, because it started at like 100, then it was 150, then it's 200. I'm like, what's going on? So,
Yeah.
yeah. So I've
Well,
had
I'm glad. I
the,
mean,